Hello friends, so in this video I am going to show you how we can display the result. So first of all we need to create one table for storing our result, and also we need to create one our PHP page to display our result. So first of all, here I am going to create one page. So right click here, new PHP file, and I am going to give name, result.php, and then we need to create one MySQL table. So here in our database I am going to create one table. So our database name is online_quiz. Here I am going to create one table. Table name is exam_results. And we are going to take 7 field. So I am going to write here 7, and now go. So now here first of all I am going to take ID integer, then 5, then primary key, and then auto increment. Now email, here total_question, then correct_answer, then wrong_answer, and then exam_time. We forget one field, exam_type. Don't worry, we will take it later on. Where here we will edit table, so no worry. Where here we are going to take all field. Where here not needed. 100, 10, 10, 10, 50. And now save. Now in we need to open this exam result table. We need to add one field. So structure, after email we are going to add one field. So add one field after email. Here I am going to take exam_type, where here and 100. That's fine. Now save. Structure, and now we can see our table is ready now. Okay, so now we need to write the code for this result.php. So first of all I am going to empty this page. I am going to copy this code from this demo.php, and now here paste. That's fine. I am going to write session start, and now we are going to start code over here. So first of all you can see this is our white part code. Here we need to write, going to start PHP. I am going to take one variable for $correct and $wrong is equal to 0. That's fine. We take two variable, one is for correct answer and one is for how many answers are wrong, that we are going to store in this variable. Now if is set $_session answer, so we are going to check we select any answer or not. Now here we can write here for $I is equal to 0. We can take from 1. $I less than equal to size of $_session answer, because how many answers you are selected, upon that we need to generate the results, that's why. And here $I plus plus. Now $answer is equal to empty. $res is equal to mysqli underscore query. We are going to load our exam's answer and then we are going to compare with your given answer. So here $link, we can write here select star from questions where category is equal to underscore session exam underscore category and question number is equal to $I. Yeah, now here we need to take while loop. So while $row is equal to mysqli underscore fetch underscore array, then $res. Yeah, here I am going to take $answer is equal to $row answer. This will load from our MySQL table. Now here we are going to write if is set underscore session answer of $I. Here if $answer is equal to underscore session answer of $I. Okay, one mistake. Answer of $I. Then $correct is equal to $correct plus 1. Otherwise else $wrong is equal to $wrong plus 1. Here you can see what we do. Here we are going to check user is selected this answer or not. If user selected this answer, then we are going to check with our table. This is our table answer and this is your selected answer. If both are true, then we are going to make correct is equal to correct plus 1. Otherwise wrong is equal to wrong plus 1. And here if user is not selected, then by default it is wrong. So here I am going to select $wrong is equal to $wrong plus 1. Yeah, that's fine. Now here we are going to display these results. So first of all $count is equal to 0. Now we are going to load how many questions of these exams. If you total questions are 10, then we have to display like this. Total questions was 10, then correct answer is this, and incorrect means the wrong answer is this. So we are going to check how many records are available in this exam. So here we can write mysqli underscore query, then $link. We can copy these things. Yeah, so I am going to copy these things and I am going to paste here. Yeah, that's fine. Now here $count is equal to mysqli underscore number of rows and here $res. $wrong is equal to $count minus $correct. So we will get how many answers are wrong we will get. Now we are going to write echo br. Let me give 2 br. Then echo center. Center is depreciated, but don't worry, you can write here, no worry about it. Echo total questions is equal to $count, then echo br, echo correct answer is equal to $correct echo wrong answer is equal to dollar wrong. Yeah, that is fine. Now we need to store these things in our table. So for that, here we can start our here we can start PHP, and we can write if is set don't underscore session exam underscore start. We are going to check actually exam is start or not. Then $date is equal to date, here YMD. Now we need end date also. So for that we need to write code here. So we are going to write code here after the session start. $date is equal to date YMD, then HIS, it means hour, minute, second. Now we are going to take end time because we need to store in table. That's why end time is equal to date YMD HIS, then comma str to time $date dot plus underscore session exam underscore time and then minutes. This line is very typical to write, but don't worry, you can write it easily. Now here again we can write our code. So here now we are going to write our query mysqli underscore query $link insert into exam underscore results, here ID, email, then exam underscore type, so exam type, then total question, then correct answer, then wrong answer, and then exam time. And then values. So here we can do right like this. First of all null, and then after 1 2 3 4 5 6 here we can pass underscore session email, here exam category, so underscore session exam underscore category, then $count, $correct, $wrong, and here we need to pass $date. So we pass here our insert query. Now if is set underscore session exam underscore start, then here we can do unset underscore session exam underscore start. It means we are going to expire this session. So result will generate only one time, otherwise it will store data second time also. That's why. And here script type text JavaScript window.location.href is equal to, yeah, so it will refresh same page. Now we are going to check we got result or not. So here I don't know what is the right answer of this. Yeah, here we are getting error in result.php line number 22. Yeah, we forgot to write connection.php. Yeah. Exam territory spelling is incorrect. Copy paste. Don't know. Yeah, here also correct. Okay, so now you can see total questions was 7, correct answer is 3, and wrong answer is 4. Now we are going to check here. Yeah, we are not getting value here, so we need to check what is the problem. Because I think session is expired, that's why. So let me log out and let me check again. No, still we are not getting. One moment, we need to check what is the problem. Yeah, we can write like this, or die mysql I underscore error $lin. So when we are getting error, we can get idea. Still not. Let me log out and let me log in again. Yeah, you can see we are getting here. We are not getting email because in login page we need to check what is our session. Yeah, session name is username. So in result we can take here username, and we can change here also username, and in table also I am going to change username. I think we take email, but we take username, that's why. No problem, save. Okay, I am going to delete this value, and now again I am going to start this exam. 5. You will get also idea how you can real time get error and how you can solve this. Yeah, 7, correct answer is 2, wrong answer is 5. Yeah, you can see we are getting all the proper values inside our table. So now in next video I'm going to show you how we can display these results in last results. So if I log in with my username password, I can see my all last results, and we are going to give proper conditions on this menu also. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it and share it. Thank you so much again.